Now we will take the string array from a user and sort the names in ascending order. So for this, just declare a variable str of two-dimensional array 5 and 20 row and column, and next variable we have to declare here is t, single dimensional array we are using, and for loops we will use I and j variable. So first, prompt a message to the user, enter any 5 strings. Then we have to accept the total 5 strings. So with the help of for loop, we will just accept the values. As we have seen in previous example, the use of for. See, inside for loop, just press scanf. Str of I. In next for loop, j equals to I plus 1 and j less than 5, j plus plus. Here one more loop we have to add for I equals to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. First for scanf. Fine. With the help of string comparing function, we will check if str of I comma str of j greater than 0, then string copy function we are using here, strcpy, we have to hold the value inside t variable. So just t comma str of I. Then once again we will copy the function string copy to str of I comma str of j, and at last just copy the string of j, the value of t to str of j. See here, the closing of if, the closing of nested for. So first we have accepted 5 string values. For loop we are using I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. For accepting the values, 5 string values. So inside scanf, just type and sign, otherwise it will not accept it. Fine. Next we are using for checking, copying the all 5 strings. As per the checking, if strings are greater than 0 length, one by one we are using the functions. Nested for we have used here. With the help of if statement, comparing the strings, here we will close the outer loop. Fine. Now for a user, have a printf statement. The strings after sorting are, as we have accepted 5 strings, so once again we have to use a for loop to display the values. Str of I Here we complete the program, closing braces of main. Now to check the errors, to run the program press Ctrl F9. So any 5 strings we have to enter here. Suppose D, C, B, A and T. So the strings after sorting are A, B, C, D and T. So if you enter the string values in any way, it will display you in a proper ascending manner.